Yes, guys, Marco DC, Marco DC. Yes, everyone, thank you, thank you, thank you. And now, guys, you guys are so sweet. A lot of people are asking, why am I so skinny? How do I maintain being skinny? Well, I want to be in better shape first off, but I do think I'm very, very extremely thin and gorgeous still right now. But I want to be like in such good shape that my stomach is totally gone. Like I want to be fit like crazy, right? But yeah, I mean, I know my stomach is pretty thin right now, and I look really good, right? So people just ask. What I usually do is count calories and exercise. So if you count your calories and you're not overdoing the calorie thing, and then you're exercising on top of that, plus I might exercise for 4 or 5 hours or 10 or 13 hours or 2 hours that day. So I look really good, right? And that's what you have to do to be gorgeous, right? Well, everyone's gorgeous, but that's what you have to do to be extremely fit, right? So yeah, anyway, thank you guys. Au revoir. Bye now. Bye now.